Today we're diving into a breakfast bonanza that will tantalize your taste buds and take you on a global journey. So grab your passports and let's explore what people around the world devour to kickstart their day. But before we jump into this international breakfast feast, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered what people eat for breakfast on the other side of the globe? I bet it's not just coffee and toast, right? Well, subscribe and get ready to be amazed because we're about to uncover some delicious morning rituals from every corner of the world. Let's kick off our breakfast journey with the classics. The breakfasts that have stood the test of time and become morning traditions in their own right. In the good old US of A, we've got those fluffy stacks of pancakes dripping with maple syrup, accompanied by crispy bacon and sunny side-up eggs. It's a breakfast that screams comfort and indulgence. And across the pond in the UK, they're no strangers to a hearty breakfast. Think about sizzling sausages, crispy bacon, grilled tomatoes, and the ever-controversial black pudding. It's a breakfast fit for champions! Now let's take a hop over to Japan, where breakfast is an art form. Enter Ichiju Sansai, a breakfast that literally means one soup, three sides. Picture a bowl of steaming miso soup, perfectly cooked rice, and an array of flavorful side dishes like grilled fish, pickles, and tamagoyaki. It's not just a meal, it's a symphony of flavors. Now that we've sampled the classics, let's turn up the heat and explore breakfasts that bring a fiery kick to the start of the day. Get ready for a spicy awakening. First on our spice expedition is Mexico with chilaquiles. Imagine crispy tortilla chips bathed in vibrant salsa, topped with cheese and crowned with a fried egg. It's a flavor explosion that wakes up your taste buds like a morning fiesta. Now let's jet off to Indonesia for a plate of nasi goreng. This spicy fried rice, often accompanied by fried eggs, prawns, and crispy shallots, is breakfast with a kick that will jolt you wide awake. Who said breakfast had to be mild and mellow? These spicy awakenings from around the world prove that breakfast is the perfect time to turn up the flavor dial. Our next stop on the global breakfast tour is all about those breakfasts that double as dessert. Get ready for some sweet surprises. First on our sweet journey is the French classic pain perdu, or as we commonly know it, French toast. Picture thick slices of bread soaked in a mixture of eggs, milk, and sugar, then toasted to golden perfection. Top it with a drizzle of maple syrup or a dusting of powdered sugar, and voila. Breakfast fit for a sweet-toothed king or queen. Now let's fly over to Turkey for a delight called simit. This circular bread encrusted with sesame seeds is often enjoyed with a generous slathering of Nutella. That's right, Nutella for breakfast, because who said you can't have chocolate in the morning? These sweet surprises prove that breakfast can be a celebration, a dessert before the day even begins. We're about to hit the fast lane as we explore breakfasts that are perfect for those on-the-go mornings. Whether you're catching a train or running to a meeting, these global breakfasts will keep you fueled and fabulous. First up, we're heading to India for a breakfast that's as convenient as it is delicious, aloo paratha. Imagine a flaky, buttery flatbread stuffed with spiced mashed potatoes, served with yogurt or pickles. It's a handheld delight that's perfect for anyone hustling through their morning routine. Now let's jet off to the bustling streets of Vietnam for a taste of banh mi. This iconic Vietnamese sandwich is a flavor explosion, with its combination of crusty French baguette, savory meats like pork or chicken, fresh herbs, and a kick of spicy chili. It's a portable feast that you can enjoy on the move. These on-the-go delights prove that a busy morning doesn't mean compromising on flavor. Get ready to embark on a wild ride as we explore breakfasts that might make you raise an eyebrow or two. These unusual breakfasts from around the world are proof that morning meals can be delightfully surprising, and sometimes a bit unconventional. First up in the realm of unusual breakfasts is Japan's natto. Brace yourselves because we're talking about fermented soybeans here. Some people might find the strong aroma and slimy texture a bit challenging, but for many Japanese, it's a breakfast staple loaded with health benefits. Are you adventurous enough to give it a try? Now let's head to the bonny land of Scotland for a breakfast that's not for the faint of heart. Haggis. This savory pudding, made from sheep's heart, liver, and lungs, mixed with oats and spices might raise a few eyebrows. But for the Scots, it's a dish steeped in tradition and flavor. Who said breakfast couldn't be a bold adventure? These unusual breakfasts challenge our taste buds and expand our culinary horizons. And there you have it, a global breakfast adventure that proves breakfast is more than just a meal. It's a cultural experience. Which breakfast surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready to embark on more foodie journeys with Foodstorian. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep savoring the stories behind every bite. Bon appetit!